All right, guys, 2022 Honda Accord Sport. This is what it sounds like before. 2.0 turbo. You can't even hear it. Look. Oh, it's so quiet. Again. Your sound decibels. Go ahead. My voice is louder than it. I think so. We'll let you guys hear it after. We're gonna do a muffler delete on it for you guys. So 2022 Honda Accord. We let you hear what it sounded before factory. Anyways, so got the converters up there under the motor somewhere, all the way up there. Then in fact, we kept the factory resonator in the middle. She might come back and take it off. But for right now, we left it on there. Then 2-inch pipe continues, then it winds up from the factory into usually to two factory mufflers, one there and one there. We deleted them and replaced them with two straight pipes. So we did a muffler delete on this and added all the needed hangers on it, as you guys can see, on each side, there and there. And there's the two mufflers that were on it, right there and right there. We took them off and straight piped it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's still quiet. Yeah, it is turbo. Better? You want louder or no? Drive it for a week, see how you like it. Now it has a little bit of a tone, at least you can hear it. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. 82. Those are like 70 before. You couldn't hear it at all. Again. Go ahead and back it out. I like the color of it. What is that color called? Sonic Gray Pearl? Sonic Gray Pearl. That's a cool color. I'm glad you tinted the lights too on it. It looks so much better with it. Yeah. Yeah, who cares? Stop exhaust addicts. I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. We need more women in the car community. Not bad. Again? I think it needs the resonator taken off. Even with the resonator taken off, it'll be like 20% louder only because of the turbo. The turbo takes a lot of the sound away. Let you guys hear on the inside. It is turbo. There's the turbo right there. You need to get a bigger blow-off valve so you can start hearing a... Yeah, intake and blow-off valve. There it is. Enjoy, guys. Thank you.